It's a super popular Instagram spot, and the reason is for the view that you get from here. Good morning. I'm here on South Sathorn Road, and today I want to show you the Chong Nonsi Bridge, which has been recently completely renovated. And yeah, this is one of the major bridges in the central business district, and a lot of commuters walk through here every day. And as you can see, they put a kind of a roof on top of the side walkway. So I was checking this out a couple of months ago, and I made a video in the area, but at that time it was a full-on construction site. So first of all, I want to show you the bridge, and then second, I want to give an update, which I never talked about the BRT. And the BRT is this kind of bus system that goes through the Rama 3 area, and it's a dedicated bus line that goes here from the central business district along the river. Anyway, let me show you upstairs at the bridge. It's the middle of rush hour. It's 8:15, and from here you have a great view on the upgrades that they made on the bridge here. So they basically covered it with a screen to protect for the sun. You can see a little bit of the Mahanakhon there in the back. And then here you have the W Hotel. And here you have the Borg airship. That's how I always call it. If you know Star Trek, you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so they've been constructing on this bridge in the last half year or year. And it's a super popular Instagram spot, and the reason is for the view that you get from here. And yeah, what they did now is that they built the covers here and there. Yeah, this is just a nice shot. Yeah, if you walk straight here, you get to the Chong Nonsi BTS station. So if you come here early morning like now, you see a lot of commuters, people that are on their way to the office. Train coming through. Yeah, they put a lot of these white screens here. I don't know if that's probably going to be commercial space. So I guess there's going to be advertisements on it. Yeah, if you go down here and if you walk all the way till the end, you get to the Chong Nonsi BTS station. So down here you have a klong, and I want to give an update about that as well. So there is a big plan to make the Chong Nonsi Park, and that's going to be a new park that will run along this klong. And I know this plan, I saw some information about this plan a couple of months ago, so I'm not sure what the situation is now, how they are going ahead with that. But basically in this direction there is the Chong Nonsi Canal, and they are trying to make that into a park. So let me show you the connection with the BRT. It's the buses that I showed you on the ground floor. Yeah, the BRT is a kind of alternative for the BTS and the MRT, so it's not a train, but it's a bus that has a dedicated bus line. And it runs from here along Rama 3 in the direction of Thonburi. So same as with the BTS, you can buy a ticket. And yeah, it's a very similar system to what you have with the trains. The only difference is that it's a bus. Sawadee krap. Okay, I'm not gonna go on the bus today, but you have the machines there, and then here you have the sales office up. I think it looks nice with the cover now. So you see there are still some remnants of the construction, but I guess that will clear out soon. Okay, so let me show you a little bit more about the canal where they are planning to make the park, and I will also add some pictures of the plans that they made. So see you on the ground floor. So I got myself a nice spot here on the bridge. So as you can see, the BRT is coming through now, and like this you have a nice idea on how the system works. So the BRT, which is the bus rapid transport, has a dedicated line here, which means regardless of traffic, this bus can just go. So here in front you have the Chong Nonsi Bridge where I just was, and then down here you have the Klong. And this is where it's supposed to be in the future, the park, the Chong Nonsi Park. And the idea is to just develop this completely. I will put some pictures of how the plans are looking in the future. I think it's a really nice idea because this is a part of the city that's not really used that much. And to have a park here, that would be great. Yes, on the other side you don't see too much traffic, but as you can see here there's plenty of traffic, and then the dedicated bus line makes sure that you have easy transport. Yeah, the name of this street is called Narathiwas. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Chong Nonsi Bridge, Chong Nonsi area, BRT, and the new Chong Nonsi Park that is about to be. If you did, feel free to subscribe. I will, as always, keep you informed about everything that's going on in Bangkok. And see you guys in my next video.